So guys, what should be happen? Whatever the subnet is behind the R2 and behind the R3 and behind the R4, they should be reachable. And for each BHS, how many T-locks should be there? There will be a 2 T-locks, right? So let me log in on the vManage first. I'm able to get the vManage or not. 192. No, no, not. What should be the IP address? Yeah, I believe 192.168.201 is there, right? Admin and admin. So for VH1, VH2, and VH3, these all the three BHs are registered on vManage, and these all the three BHs are going configured by the from the vManage, right? Hello. Hmm. So first of all, let me check how many BHs are there, guys. Three
Three
BHs.
VHS.
If I'm going to troubleshoot from one VH to another VH, I'm going to reach how many path I should get here? I should get the two path, right? From
From
VH1 troubleshoot, simulate the flow, VPN 100, source IP is this one. Destination IP, what will be the destination IP? I'm going from here to, suppose here 41.1. Okay. So
uh,
172.44.1 or 41.1. I'm just going to check an example. There is some issue. Hmm, 31.1. Black hole. Mhm. Mhm. It's not getting the route. This one is also not getting. So IPOSP of neighbor. No, neighbor is not there. Mhm. R2, where is R2? This one. So run section OSPF. So here the OSPF is not running, guys. That is the problem.
so this is erased or the removed configuration?
Might be the config was not
OSP.
saved. Look back. After enable the OSPF, config was not saved. IP OSPF one area. What was the area, guys? Oh. So for running config VPN 100. Area 100. Done. R3 interface range 0 by 0 to 0 and look back 0 to 3 IPOSPF 1 area 100. R2 configuration is done, R3 configuration is done, then after that, and R4 also. Interface 0 by 0, interface range 0 by 0 and look back 0 to IPOSPF 1 area 100, IPOSPF network type 0.2 point, no, such that, and WRM. Going via MPLS, there is some issue on the internet also. That is the problem. Last time also the same problem was there, but after that we didn't save the config. That was the issue. Now simulated should be used. Got it? So if you are going to reach anywhere, so it is going to use 2 paths. Right? So I'm just right now, what we have done so far, guys, we have done the device template, feature templates, right? Service VPN we have covered. Okay, packet flow is still, we are still not yet covered in brief, right? That I need to discuss. But if you are talking about here, if you are going to the device tab, if you are going into the templates, so what we have done feature templates, we created these all the feature templates in the last to last class, right? And then after that, we created a device template and we have attached this device template to how many VHS, guys? The same device
3
template is
VHS.
attached with the 3 VHS. Got it? Now, what we have done,
So please, how many device template can be attached per device?
on
Like
on a single device, only one device template can be attached.
Okay.
Or device means just going to create a device template, right? So that device template can be attached with the n number of the devices, but
n
on a
number of future, n number of device with the n number of sorry with the uh, future template. Many
feature templates, yeah. Feature template can be n number, and a device template, a single device template can be attached with the n number of the device, but a device cannot be, means a single device, you can't be attached the multiple device templates. You got this point?
Got it.
So what we have done so far right now, we have done this part we have covered in the beginning. Then after that, this part is also done. This part we have covered. This is still pending, lab number 11 and 12. Initialize the CH and register the CH on the V minus. Right? Hello? CH means CSR router.
Yes. See.
Till now, we didn't cover the CSR. CSR I'm going to cover today. Configuring the feature template for the system, banner, VPN, we have done VPN 0, 512. That also we have done. Configure the feature template for the external routing, OSPF also we have done. For VPN 0 branches side, configuring the device, deploying device templates for the branch sites that we have done. Configuring the internal routing protocol on all the internal routing devices, that also we have done. Feature template service VPN, that also we have done. VPN interface in the internal routing branch side, that also done. Implement the service VPN using the branch side, that also pushing the template to the configuration to the other branch sites, that also we have done. Configure the feature template for the HQ site. VH1, that is in the HQ device site, we are not using the any VHS. Either if you want, I can use it. OSPF we have done. Where is the CSR? That lab is also pending. These 24 number, 25 number, right? For the CSR, we have not covered it, and for 11 and 12. So I'm just going to cover first. Packet flow I will discuss once the CSR is also ready, where will be ready in our topology. Then after that, I will discuss the packet flow. Got it?
Okay.
So my first target is what? First, I need to bring all the VHS up and running, and should be managed by the V manage. So these all the three edge devices up and running. If you are talking about this one, and this one. These all the VHS up and running. These are registered on the V manage. Root certificate also we have installed. Feature templates also we created. Device template also we have created, and these devices are attached with the device templates. But on CSR, even CSR is not yet initiated. Got it? So first I'm going to initiate the CSR. I will do the skinny config on the CSR. Once the skinny config is done, then after that, what I will do, I will push the root certificate from here to here. And once the root certificate is installed, then after that, what I will do, I will register the CS on the vManage. Once the registration is done, then after that, I will create a feature template and then device template. And then after that, I will attach this CSR in the device template. Got it? Once it is attached, this all the edge will be initialized and up and running. Then after that, we'll discuss about the packet flow, and then we can discuss about the deep packet inspection or application aware routing, anything. Got it? So that is
Okay.
my first target. These all the edge devices should be up and running. Got it?
Mhm.
So I'm just going to configure right now the R1, R2, R3, R4 are already configured. R1 might be also, I guess the IP address is configured. If the OSPF is not configured, I will configure it. Yeah, IP address is configured, interface range G0 by 02, 0 and loopback 02, 3, no sir, IP OSPF. One area 100, IP OSPF network type, what I will use, point to point, do WR MEA. So router configuration is done. Then after that, I need to initialize the CSR router. So on CSR router, first of all, I will configure the just G1 interface so that I can make the reachabilities. Got it? Once the reachability is done, then after that only I can push the
Certificate.
certificate there. So for CSR, what are the skinny configuration? Between the CSR and MPLS router, what is the IP address we are using, guys?
192.168.10.0/24.
10.0/24. So 10.1 should be on CSR, right?
Right.
And the system IP. What are the system IP I'm using on the VHS? Let me check. So running config system 123.1.1.1 I am using. System IP I'm going to use 125. I'm going to use 1.1.1.1. What are the organization names? Just think about that.
NH India Lab.
Config first command is config transaction. Then after that host name, clock time zone here. You know you can't be put the name here. What should be there? Plus 530. That is Asia Kolkata, right? Under the system,
Mhm.
this one is there. What is the site ID? Site ID should be 1.
Site ID should be 1.
Organization name, that is NH India Lab. B bond address is there, guys. What is the B bond address? 201.1.1.3.
1.3.
Then interface 192.168.10.1
8.10.1/24.
255.255.255.
0.
No, sir. Next of IP should be 192.168.10.254.
192.168.10.254.
So first of all, let me make this config. On CSR. Config transaction.
If command is not taken.
System, it should not be a capital, that is the problem. Now the system IP site
System.
ID
I
everywhere,
think
everywhere where the capital is
system
there, that is the problem.
system hyphen IP.
Yeah, there it's a issue, then site
Site
ID.
ID also it is same. Um, da, 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 da. This time it was.
Now it's perfect. Then after that, once it is done, what you can do, ping 201.1.1.3. Reachability is there, right? Because of it's a simple configuration, what I have done so far, I have configured the IP address here now, and I have added the default route towards that. And from here, the reachability is there up to that. So now the reachability is there. But I need to
So we
configure. Yes.
so we checked reachability only for V1. So we need to check reachability for vManage, vSmart, and the server also. The
What is
or
the
it is
requirement? These devices should be able to reach the vBond. vBond further should be able to reach to the vSmart and vManage. Got it? For the edge devices, what we are going to inform, we are just going to inform the edge device. So these should be able to reach the vBond. So they should be able to reach the only vBond.
Weber.
After that, I need to configure the tunnel. If you remember, guys, in vSmart, we were configuring the tunnel under the interface. Here we are configuring the separate tunnel. And then after that, IP unnumbered gigabit one is that means what? This tunnel should be used the IP address, whatever the IP is configured on this physical interface. Got it? So same IP we are going to use under the tunnel also. Source and tunnel mode should be the SD-WAN. What can be the tunnel mode, guys? It can be GRE, it can be the MGRE. Here, what we are using? We are using the SD-WAN. Then under the SD-WAN, we are coming and interface. This one, tunnel interface, allow service hour, allow service netcons, encapsulation, IPsec, no cert, and color is default and commit. So this one also I need to configure.
Again, capital S is the SD-WAN.
So I believe up to this part we have already done, but no issue. There is some error. Interface tunnel. That is the problem. Interface tunnel is not showing there.
It is not showing. Interface, loopback, tunnel, 10, 20, 25 gigabit, WLAN.
You heard the point, guys.
Okay, capital.
Here it should be the capital.
But it is not visible in the command also, right?
Yes.
Interface tunnel.
So now the config is done. I can check what I need to check the reachability 201.1.5. This is my
Server root server.
root, means CS server. From the CS
CS
server, I
server.
need to install the root certificate here now. So to install the root certificate, first check the reachability, and then after that, I need to copy the root certificate. So root certificate is where? Just a minute. Let me open it. One, two, three. TFTP is there. And where is our certificate? Certificate is in this folder, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to open the TFTP. First of all, what I have to do, setting, what should be the IP address? Bind the TFTP with this IP. This IP should be there. And here, I need to browse. I need to select that folder.
Folder name. Mm-hmm. It's on desktop, right?
Where is desktop? It is showing somewhere. Yeah, this one.
And,
Then after that, copy from TFTP. To flash, enter 201.1.1.5. What is the file name? Root dot. Yeah. Destination save. Accessing. There is it's not accessing. That means it's an issue. Let me do one thing. Sorry. It's copied, guys. Hello.
Yes.
Now, once the root certificate is copied on CS, then after that, a request. This is the command. Similarly, we are installing the certificate on the C edges, right? So it's not accepting.
Going to do it on the system mode, config mode.
No. In system mode. What I made the mistake, boot flash. A request platform software, then SD-WAN, install from boot flash, and what is the certificate name?
Root cert. Root,
Successfully installed. Once it's installed, then after that I need to activate this one. So how I can activate this one? So first of all, on the vManage, go into the devices, and there is, these are already uploaded. So how many CSR is there, guys? There is 6 CSR and 8 VH, right? So I'm just going to execute the command request software request platform software, then SD-WAN, VS Cloud, and then activate chassis number. Chassis number you can
get it on vManage.
copy from there.
The commands which we are using in Cisco SDN, will it be same commands on in Aruba as well or different?
No, might be in Aruba is different, but I don't have idea about the Aruba. Okay, concept will be same, but on different platform, command will be different. There the token. Executed. Let's see. Should be convert from token to serial. Yeah, it's done. Got it? So now, if you are going to main dashboard, in the main dashboard, what will be get there? How many edge devices
There
we
will-
have? 4 edge
4
devices.
edge devices now.
In that 4 edge, one is CSR. CSR is still not showing. It will take some time, I believe.
Can you do refresh?
No, it's not showing. It's still not it. Will take some time, I believe. But here, main dashboard, it is showing. One
One is
is
showing down.
4 is going down. One is will come up. Wait for some time. Here is showing unreachable. Just wait for some time.
Can't we get any message like why it is down? What is the
No, no,
background?
no. It
What
was
is the run?
initially control node down. It was there because of
So I'm asking that we can't check any log like what is running
logs is
between
there.
vmanage and
It's showing here the notification.
mhm.
Initially, once it is going to connect, then on that time it will be the first stage was there. Then after that, it was just registered on the vManage, right? After that, first
Mhm.
time once you are going to register, after register for the 2 to 5 seconds, you'll be get the disconnection. Then after that, it will be complete up because of it was initializing on that time.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Can't we see any live logs like what is the communication happening between vmanage and the edge router? The
vManage and
CH, like it
CH.
is communicating, right? First time it was showing down. So we can't see any
So,
live log. What is the communication is happening between
no, that notification only you can get it. If you want to do that, you have to capture the logs on the devices. Then only you can do it.
on the edge device?
Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, in the monitor, events. If you are talking about this event, so this event you can see that.
So under monitor events you need to.
Yes. What is
Mhm.
happening? Okay. So now the CH is also registered on the vManage. Now what is the next step? I need to create the feature template for the CHs, and I need to create a device template for the
The
CHs.
base template.
And then after that, I need to attach this CH into the device template. Got it?
The base template. Mm-hmm.
So this is the topology. Actual topology is this one. So how many template I need to create, guys? If you remember, for VHS, we did that, right?
Correct. We created 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8
One
feature template
VPN
we
0 I
created.
need to create.
Correct.
One I need to create the VPN.
512.
One I need to create VPN.
VPN 100.
One I need to create
And VPN
system
template,
banner.
banner template.
Then on VPN 0, how many interface are there? There is 2 interface.
3 interface. 2 interface. Also we config
Interface
for
G1,
OSPF.
interface
G0.
G2,
Okay.
not 0,
Mhm.
G1 and G2, right?
G2.
A
I was checking the old configuration. Okay.
and B. Then after that, C, OSPF
512 OSPF,
with MPLS, right?
MPLS.
Then we can configure any of the interface like G4 that we are not using, right? But we have to put at least one interface there, right? Then under the VPN 100, we need to configure interface G3,
G3.
and then OSPF with local WAN.
Service VPN.
With OSPF under the service VPN also we can call it. All right. So what I can do, these all the template we created for what? For the VHS, right? Hello. Same template, I need to create it for CS. So what I will do, I will copy this template and I will change the device model. Either we can create a new
Uh-huh.
one also, but if you are going to create a new one, again, we have to do it step by step, right?
Yeah.
So what I will
Okay.
do for system and banner, I will show you the new one. And for rest template, what I will do, I will just copy and I will change the device model. Got it?
Uh-huh.
So templates,
Template,
template.
future
I'm
template.
just going to add a template for CSR. Which template I'm going to create? System.
Hmm.
So it's a CH system template, right?
Hmm.
Asia, Kolkata, right?
Correct.
Kolkata. One more thing we changed, I guess, baud rate, yeah. That is 9600. Save it. Similarly for banner also, what I can do. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy it. CH. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change the device model. Instead of VS, what I'm going to use, I'm going to use it for CSR. Got it? And if you want to add it, welcome to SD and welcome to CSR. Update. Then for VPN 0, right? VPN 0. I'm just going to copy it. It's a CH VPN 0, copy, paste it there. Yes. I need to change the device model, right? This one you are going to use for then VPN 100 also. CH VPN 100, copy it. And then after that, change the device model. CH, sorry, CSR,
Yes, sir.
then VPN 5.2, CH VPN 5.2, then I need to change the device model. Okay. Now OSPF also. VPN 0 OSPF that I need to change. Copy. CH VPN 0 OSPF towards the MPLS. Then I need to change the device model, that is for CSR.
Oh, sorry.
Then OSPF for the VPN 100 also. CH VPN 100, paste it there. Copy. And CH VPN 100. I need to also change the device model, CSR. But also there will be some changes in the OSPF. I'm coming on that point. First, let me create, then after that I will edit. Then VPN 0 interface. How many interfaces there, guys?
VPN 0. 1, 2, 3, 4.
CH VPN 0. Which interface is going towards the MPLS, guys? I guess, let me check. G1, GI1, right?
G1. Mhm.
So it's a and it should be a device model. Device model is CSR. Then one more interface is there. CH VPN 0,
GI2.
GI2 going towards the internet. Then the model. Okay. Then VPN 5.2.
GI4.
GI4, right?
Mm-hmm. 101.
Change the device model. Now, can you count here the total? How many templates are there? 3, 1, 4, 4, 2, 6, 6 or 3, 9, and 9 to 11, right? Hello?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4 to 6 and 3, 9 and 2, 11 templates.
11.
So let me check
Hmm.
11 we have created or not. Then after that I will edit. CS
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 we have. System banner 5, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What one is missing? Which one is missing? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
For VPN 0, we have 1, 2, 3.
In VPN 0, there is 2
And,
interface. In VPN 512 and this interface, OSPF is system is there, VPN 100 is there, VPN 0 is there, VPN 512 is there. Which one is missing? System banner OSPF for service VPN. It is there. System banner is also there. VPN 100 is there. And under the VPN 100, there is one more interface that is G3. That is not there, right? Hello? Hello?
that is for
That is for service VPN.
G3.
Which one is going to connect with the switch internal network? This interface. So that interface will be a part of VPN 100, right?
100.
So that we missed. That is not created yet. Got it?
But that is also not in our list, right? In the notepad.
No, it is there.
Wait.
It's there, but here we
Interface
missed.
3.
Hello?
Okay.
In
But
VPN,
under
under the
under
VPN,
VPN 100.
there is
Okay.
one more.
Okay. Oh, got it. Uh-huh.
Okay, so that is missing. So VS VPN 100. If I'm going to type, I will get that interface. There is 2 service VPN, right? So I'm going to just copy. It's a CS. Yeah, it's 3. It's a service VPN. Change the device model now. CSR. Now, if I'm going to search with the CS, I should get 11. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? Hello?
Correct.
So under this one interface is there. That interface should be the G3, right?
Hmm.
So let me edit. Should be it's a G3, right?
Yes.
Then this is done. Under this one, which interface should be there? G1. Got it? So this one is changed J3. Now this one is also I need to edit. Should be update. These two are the system. We don't need to change anything. On VPN 100, we don't need to change anything, but here I need to change. Interface name. Rest all the yes. PS system also don't need to change. This one is also. Which one is going to? Towards the MPLS. Edit. It's MPLS, so it is 1. It's 1. And this one is 2. And fine. There is 3 also. Then under the VPN 5.2. Should not be ETH0 because of ETH0 doesn't exist there. That's it. So all the feature templates are created. I need to create a device template. So here I'm just going to create from CLI, not CLI, sorry.
Add template. And it's CSR.
Device template for CSR.
CSR
Tell me
1000.
one thing here, how many CSR devices we have right now?
1.
1. So what I can do, I can put the IP address and everything as a static also, global also, right? Because of only one CH we have. But in the future, suppose multiple CSR is going to connect, so if we are going to keep it variable, so we can use the same device template for those one also, right?
Correct.
So this is the reason I put it variable, means I kept it variable for the single device also. Got it? Otherwise, if the single device is there, I know very well there what with the IP. So I can keep it global, right? But might be in the future, if the multiple CSR is going to add, then what will be happen? The same device template we can't be used if the IP we are fixing it global. You got this point? So
Got
here,
it.
CS system in service VPN, CS VPN 0, VPN interface, OSPF, OSPF area 1, it's MPLS and internet, right? 512, then VPN interface, that is G4,
G4.
service VPN, in service VPN, VPN 100, OSPF, VPN interface, OSPF, we are using this one, and interface, that is G3. System, sorry, banner,
Banner.
yes.
Page.
Got it? Then create it. Now device template is created for the CSR also. I'm going to attach the device. Only one CSR is there, so I'm getting only one option, attach. Now I need to put the value. Which interface is there, guys? G3. Description I didn't check because of it was I used the same one, so I missed to change the description. So it's a actual G3 because of once you are going to move the cursor, it is showing G3, but description it is showing G0 by 2. So G3 interface, what are the IP address we are going to assign, guys? 172.16.1.1. 172.16.1.1. Then default get next hop IP for the, what should be the next hop IP? Between the internet, SQ router between the internet, 2.0.0.254, that should be the default gateway, right?
254.
2.0.0.254. Then what should be the IP address for the G2? That should be 2.0.0.1/24. It's a G1. What should be the IP address? 192.168.
10.1. Sorry, 10.1/24.
It's a CH. System IP.
125.1.1.1.
Site ID
1.
1. Update. What is the configuration actually you are going to do? You can click here and you will be get it. What is the configuration you are going to push on the CH? Got it? You can verify from here. This is the final config, which one is going to push on the device. Configure. It will take some time. Updating device on configuration, pushing configuration to the device, pre-check on the manage have passed, continue with the pushing configuration to the device. Pushing configuration to the device, please wait.
Now it is success.
Now it's success. Got it? Successfully attached. Once it's successfully attached, I'm going to check on this device. Between this router and this router, what should be happen? OSPF neighborship should be up. Came up. And whatever the route is running behind the R2, R3, those all the routes should be there. It's there, guys.
Yes.
If I'm going to reach ping 172.16.41
41.
dot
One.
1. Pinging. Even if I'm going to check from vmanage, so on the vmanage also, what I can do, monitor, sorry, network. I'm just going to trace from CH.
Let's troubleshoot.
Yes, that is not showing that option. That simulate flow, that option we are not getting here now. Go back. Let me jump on the VS3. And on VS3, troubleshooting, simulate the flow, VPN 100. I'm going to reach 10.1.
Standard one.
Black hole. 10 dot what we are using or not, first let me check. 10 we are not using, right? 11, 12, 13, 14 we are using. So it should be
11.
Can you see? By default, it's doing the load balance. That means both the transport it is using for all the traffic. Are you getting the point, guys? Hello?
Suppose in case one link is utilized fully, so how that time how the
That time also it will
load
do the
balancing?
it will also do the load balance. If you want to manipulate, so for that one also we need to discuss about the AAR, application aware routing, and deep packet inspection. Suppose your purpose is there, no, all the chat traffic, HTTP traffic should be go via the internet transport. That you can do. All the private traffic should be go via the MPLS. That we can do.
Got it. If I'm saying so now both the link there is no utilization, so it is doing the load balancing. If in case
So same I'm
one
telling
link is
you.
fully
So the same I'm talking about. You are telling now if the one link is fully utilized, another one is no traffic. So in that case, it should be passed. It is not going to happen like that. If the one is completely down, then all the traffic will move on the secondary one. Got it?
Right.
Otherwise, if you want to do the like manual load balance, suppose for the some of the application you want to access only use the MPLS, that you can do. You got the point. For some of the application, your purpose is there, all it should be used always the internet. That you can do.
Got it.
Got it. So, but it is not possible like the automatically it will never happen. The one link is utilized 100%. First thing, it will never happen because of this type of the situation, each link should have the same bandwidth. Got it? So because of you are achieving the load balance. Otherwise, if the bandwidth is up and down, suppose the internet link have the lower bandwidth, MPLS have the higher bandwidth. So you'll be trying to all the private traffic should be moved via the MPLS only, and all the HTTP chat and everything where the latency doesn't matter, that should be used the internet link, right? So that traffic flow that I will discuss tomorrow, how we can manipulate, how we can create the policies. Got it? So those all the things that now till now you can just assume we have set up the lab, that's it. To do that all type of the testing. Got it? So now we have set up our lab, now we can do the practice. How we can simulate the flow, how we can move forward the traffic via the MPLS, how we can forward the traffic via the internet. If what will be happen if the one TLOC is going down, then how we can troubleshoot it, how it is going to form the IPsec tunnel. Those all the things that is Now till now we have just set up a lab. That's it. Got it?
Mhm.
Yes.
So guys, the next topic is packet flow. Packet flow I'm not going to discuss today. Packet flow we'll discuss tomorrow. And tomorrow I will discuss application aware routing and deep packet inspection. Because of this thing will take around 2 hours, guys. So within the 30-40 minutes we can't cover it. Okay.
Okay.
So today our class is little bit short because of the topic is finished now, and the next topic is will take around 2 hours minimum. So tomorrow we'll start the class on same time, 9 o'clock, and tomorrow I will finish this application aware routing, deep packet inspection, and pack traffic flow, and how the route is going to exchange, how the IPsec external is going to form. These all the theory part, and practical part I will finish it. Okay.
Okay. I have a question, Prince.
Yes.
Can I go to device template?
Sorry.
Device template. Please go to device template.
Okay. Which one?
So here I can see feature template as 16.
Total 16 feature
What is-
templates. Because of some of the default feature template was there that I used.
Okay.
11 we created and 5 default
Uh,
feature templates are using there.
Okay.
Okay. And this device
Hmm.
template is connected with the attached with the how many devices? 3 devices.
Three.
And this device
Mhm.
template is attached with the 1 device. So that I
Correct.
told you, a device template can be attached with the n number of the devices, but a device can only attach with the single device template.
Device template.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So most probably tomorrow, and then after that 2 more week, I will take your session, and then after that I will finish your SD-WAN. So you guys, you can start the lab first of all. Okay. So most probably next week, and then after that 1 more week, I will take your session. So almost we are ending with the lab 1. I told you in the beginning of the class, we have a 2 lab, right? So we are right now, we are doing the lab on the lab 1. I have also 1 more lab, 1 more topology. So there we'll discuss about the T-lock extension. Advanced topic we'll cover in the second lab. So tomorrow, most probably I will finish the lab 1. Okay. Otherwise, 1 more session it will be required on the lab 1. So that will be on that I will take it on next Saturday, and then after that 2 more sessions are required on the lab 2. So most probably next week. So after the next week, I will finish your session. Okay. That means this week, and then after that 2 more weekend.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So see you tomorrow on same time. And most probably tomorrow our class will be very interesting because of the what is the main advantage of the SD-WAN that we are going to cover tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
Bye-bye.